How to fix McDonald's app not working. Now, first things first is make sure that you're currently running with the latest version of the McDonald's application. To check on that, just simply go to your Google Play Store and search for McDonald's. And from here, you'll be able to know that your McDonald's app needs an updating because there will be an update button that's going to be visible right there. All I have to do is just press on that and it will automatically update by itself. Now, if it's not going to be fixing the issue, then you'll need to clear cache and data with your McDonald's app. To do so, go to Settings, scroll down a little bit till you find Apps, and then Manage Apps, then search for McDonald's right here. So all I have to do is just simply clear all data, then click on OK. Now, if it's still not going to fix the issue, then what you'll need to do is you'll need to uninstall the application and try to reinstall it again. So those are the troubleshooting steps and how you can fix McDonald's application not working.